One rainy afternoon, Spencer had just delivered his goods train from Knapford to Vickerstown. He was waiting on a free path to go and pick up his local at Knapford. Soon the signal dropped and he was off. Later, he was heading up Gordon's Hill. As he crested the top, he heard an engine rushing up the other side of the hill and seeing Rebecca straining up the hill in front. He didn't think much of it as he passed by, until suddenly, good Lord!
Faster, driver, faster!
Meanwhile, Gordon was heading out with the express. The signalman signaled him through and began to pick up speed, heading for the main line, until... What the fuck?!
Oh, you goddamn truck!